Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBot143. You are watching Microsoft Office Excel 2007 tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create Christmas tree in MS Excel. Suppose if you want to send a greeting card to your family and friends on Christmas Day, we can create them in most easy and simple way in Excel. Open Excel 2007. First, I want to resize the column widths from A to Z. After selecting all the columns, come to intersection, click and drag. And also we can resize the row heights if required. Now select the cells in pyramid structure by pressing Ctrl button. After selecting the cells, let's give a name to the selected cells. Click in the name box. I'm typing cherry and press enter and add some background fill color. I'm selecting green color. After this, we need to enter a rand between function. Type equal to rand between. Here I'm entering 1,10 as bottom and top limits. Close the bracket. Press Ctrl and hit enter to populate the function in the entire range that we selected. After this, in Home tab, click the arrow next to Conditional Formatting. Navigate to Icon Sets. In this, please select Traffic Lights. Again, come to the Conditional Formatting. Select to Manage Rules. Select the rule that we have created and click Edit Rule. Here I want to hide numbers. For that, please check in Show Icon Only. Click OK. Apply. OK. After this, let's draw a bottom part of the Christmas tree. For that, come to Insert menu. Select a shape. Click and drag. And to see the effect in traffic lights, come to Formulas menu. In Calculation group, click on Calculate Now. And we can also use F9 shortcut key from our keyboard to see the effect in traffic lights. And let's add a Santa Claus clipboard. For that, come to Insert, click on Clipboard. In Search for Field, please type Christmas. To insert the clipboard, simply double click on this. And after this, again come to Insert, click on Shapes, come to Callouts, select a callout. Here I am entering, hit F9 key, and after that come to Word Art. Here we can enter the text Merry Christmas. And after this, on the top, I want to add a star. For that, come to Insert, again click on Shapes, select a 5-point star. Come to Shape Styles, select a style. And finally, come to View. We can hide grid lines and headings. Now the Christmas greeting card is ready. Like this, we can create Christmas tree in Microsoft Office Excel 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITBot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.